Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn while loops in Python. In Python, a while loop is used to repeatedly execute a block of code as long as specified condition is true. For example, here I'm going to create a variable number equal to 7. Then I'm going to create one more variable as the input, guess equal to int input guess the number. Is the number like this. Then you need to create a value. You type while, then condition. Say guess is not equal to number like this. Here, if the value of guess is not equal to the number, say the person is putting 4 3 is which is not equal to the number, the above variable number, then it will print like this, print try again like this, and once again you need to put this input like this, then you will print, you will get guess the number, say 2. It will going on, say 1, once again try again, say 5, once again 7, then it won't print because we don't write anything, okay? If the condition is false, then it will write like this. If the condition true, you need to get outside of the indentation and type print you did this like this, then print, say guess the number 12, no 5, no 7, you did this. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.